Hey guys, Janice Petteway. Well, as most of you know, if you know me, is I do not want to leave any opportunity on the floor. So it's important for you guys to learn about everything and anything in our business that you could earn an income while helping a family that deserves a home get a home, right? That's what we're all about. So today I wanted to talk to you about leasing. We have, not that I want you to be a lease agent or property management, that's not what I'm talking about. But there are many companies in North America. One that comes to mind is Home Partners, and I think it's actually Home Partners of America, but it might just be Home Partners now because they really are truly a home partner. I'm going to talk to you about the concept because it doesn't really matter about the company. I just want you to do some research and see if there's anybody in your particular area that does the following. There are companies that will actually approve a family or an individual, whoever wants to potentially be a homeowner, to do what they call is a lease to own program. Once they approve this individual, and it's not as strict as purchasing a house, so they don't have to have a big down payment, they don't have to have perfect credit or any of that like they would if they were purchasing right now. They have to just have good income and a willingness to jump through a few hoops. If they approve them, then these companies would give you the criteria of what they need to be satisfied in the purchase of a home. So what happens then is this individual or family is approved, and then you get an approval, and then they tell you what they will purchase for this individual or family to actually move into. And then that family, over the course of the next year, 2 years, 3 years, it's all different depending on the company, they have the opportunity to purchase that home. So they could actually get settled in a neighborhood, into a school system, etc., of their desire before they're really ready to purchase. Then they can work with a lender to be able to get whatever they need to do accomplished and then close on that property. The good news as realtors, well, there's so much about that I love. We're doing a service that maybe we couldn't otherwise do for this family, right? Because they would have to just rent an apartment or a house, and that feels different to a lot of people. You know, they don't, it's not home the same as if they know they're doing everything to purchase that particular home that they now live in. So we're able to get that stability for that family. We're able to help the community have more and more homeowners and maybe not as many renters, which should be a good thing in a lot of areas because it really helps with the economy for your area that you live in, because people that own homes, they spend money on things for the home and updating and all of that. But there's just so much about that I think is really intriguing and awesome. So I want you to check to see if anybody participates in your area in something like that. But if they don't, no is not the answer. You cannot just stop there. I want you to do some exploring. People that own maybe multiple rental properties, you could reach out and just say to them that you are interested in helping people that are not quite ready to purchase get into a permanent home that they can purchase in a year or 2 or 6 months, whatever. And would you be interested in doing a purchase with an extended closing if the documentation was done probably by an attorney, somebody that is allowed to do it in your particular area, and if we could show you that they are working with a mortgage professional and will be able to get everything that they need accomplished within X amount of time. Could you create some transactions while also feeling really good about it? I bet you could. So I want you to do some exploring and take a couple hours today and look into that. When in doubt, Google. You can just put in, like I live in the Orlando market, I could just put in Orlando lease purchase opportunities and see what comes up. you can do the same. So, and if it is profitable, and profitable to me is not just financially, if it works and you get any kind of good reward out of it, please share so that you can inspire others to try some different things. So thanks. I'll see you tomorrow.